Welcome back. We will continue on where we left off. If you haven't watched the previous video, please watch it first. In this video, we will learn how to compile the web app on a PC. Before we continue, let's download the Chrome extension which I created earlier from Github. Please check the video description for more details. From the Github page, download the project zip file. After you download the file, go to the download folder and extract the file. Copy or move the folder to your favorite driver folder. Now, go back to the extension link on Google Chrome and remove the existing Chrome extension. Click the Load Unpack button and then select the folder which you copied earlier. Click the Select Folder button to load the unpacked Google Chrome extension. Open New tab on Google Chrome and open Nodejs website, https://nodejs.org. You can also check the video description. Here, download the latest build of Nodejs and install it on your computer. Next, we will download the web app source code from GitHub. Go to the same Github page and open the Chrome Autofill Client app. From the Github page, download the project zip file. After you download the file, go to the download folder and extract the file. Copy or move the folder to your favorite driver folder. Next, let's open Command Prompt and navigate to the folder where we copied the web app folder. Here, run the command npm install. The system will automatically install the necessary Node.js library in the folder. This will take a couple of minutes to complete the installation. While we wait for the installation, you can help us by subscribing this channel. Also hit the bell button and get notification whenever we upload a new video. Now that we have complete the Node.js library installation, we will run the final command, type ng-serve, and hit the enter key. This will compile and run the web app on our computer. Here, we can see the app is running at localhost on port 4200. Now, open the Chrome browser. Navigate to localhost:4200. We can see that we successfully run the web app on our computer. You can start testing the app by importing some Excel file. The Excel format are available on Google Drive. All the download link and URL mentioned in this video are available in the description. Thanks for watching this video. We will upload this kind of easy coding tutorial regularly. Thank you and take care.